Okay, today we will start with exercise 9.3, question 1. The question is, I'll read it out for you. Find surface area and volume of sphere. We have just seen the formula for spheres. Surface area of sphere and volume of sphere. Surface area of sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square and volume of the sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so here we need to calculate surface area and volume. For sphere we don't have radius, so only we don't have height, so only radius of the sphere is given to you. The first example, 9.3 exercise, first question A, radius is given as 4 centimeter. So here we will start with the solution like this. For sphere, r equal to 4 centimeter. This is the given quantity. You have to find out surface area and volume. We will go step by step. First, surface area of sphere. The formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. All the dimensions are given to you. The value of pi is given as 3.14. It may vary according to question. You can take it as 3.14 or 22 by 7. So here 4 into pi value is 3.14 into radius of sphere here given is 4 square. So 4 into 4. Now the calculation part is very simple. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 into 3.14. You will have to perform the multiplication, and after you perform it, you will get the answer as 200.96. Now since it is area, the unit will be centimeter square. So answer for surface area is 200.96 centimeter square. Now I'll just make one part of this board. Volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume. Now here all the quantities, all the dimensions are given to you. Pi value 3.14, radius r, it is given as 4, so we will just substitute the values. 4 by 3 into 3.14 into radius cube, radius is given as 4, so you can write it as 4 cube or 4 into 4 into 4. Calculation part again is very simple. 4 cube is 64 into 4 by 3 into 3.14. When you perform the multiplication and required division, you will get the answer as 267.95. Now this is volume. We are multiplying it 3 times. So the dimension will be centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Similarly here centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay, please note it down. Now we will come to B part, exercise 9.3, question 1b. Radius is given as 9 centimeter. You have to use the same formulas. So for sphere, r is equal to, you will take here as 9 centimeter. You will substitute the value for r as 9 centimeter and then you will get the required answer. Similarly, for volume, you will substitute the radius as 9 centimeter, cube of 9, and then you will get the required answer. Same is for 3.5 centimeter. Here you have to take radius as 3.5 centimeter in both the formulas. Okay, so this exercise 9.3 question 1 is very simple. First A I have solved it for you. For B and C, just put the the required radius values and you will get the answer. Okay. Now we will go to exercise 9.3, question 2. Very simple question. Only you have to identify the formulas and the figure. The question is, if radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter. So given quantity radius r equal to 5 centimeter and you have to find curved surface area and total surface area. Now the figure given is solid hemisphere. Hemisphere, half sphere. I'll just draw the figure here for hemisphere. The hemisphere is half sphere. So that is hemisphere. This is the radius that is given to you. I am showing it by dotted line. It is 5 centimeter. So for hemisphere, the formula for curved surface area. So here I will say curved surface area. It is given by the formula 2 pi r square. Okay, calculation part is very simple. 2, value of pi is given to you as 3.14 into r. R is 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. So 50 into 314 divided by 100. We have removed the decimal points by converting it into zeros in the denominator, and after you perform this calculation you will get the answer as 157 centimeter square. Calculation is very simple. You have to take just half of 314 and it is 157 centimeter square. Now we will just go to the other side. The next formula for total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. We have seen why 3 pi r square, because total surface area is given with the formula. Yesterday we have derived the formula for total surface area of a hemisphere. It is 3 pi r square. So it will be 3 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. So after you perform this required calculation, you will get the answer as 235.5. Now the unit is again centimeter square, because radius is provided to you in centimeter. We are calculating area, so unit for area is centimeter square. Okay, note it down. Now exercise 9.3, question 3. Question is very simple. If surface area of sphere is 2826 centimeter square, find volume. Now this question we need to solve it in two parts. First, from surface area formula we will calculate the radius, and then from radius we will calculate the volume. Okay, so here surface area of sphere. The formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. I just make two sections. So now surface area of sphere is given as 2826 is equal to 4. The value of pi is 3.14 and r square, we don't know the value for radius, so we will keep it r as it is. Now these two quantities are multiplied here, then they go on the other side, that is left hand side, it will be divided. So 2826 divided by 4 into 3.14 is equal to r square. Now there is a slight trick in this sum. To solve this, first we will remove the decimal points and we will factorize 2826 so that the calculation will be very simple. Okay, so here I'll show you the factors for 2826. We will divide it with 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. Again 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So these are the factors for 2826. So I will just factorize it. 314 into 9 upon 4 into 3.14 is equal to r square. Okay. Now this 3.14 and this 314, they will get cancelled out. 314 means when you remove the decimal point, 100 will go up. So lastly the values left are 100 into 9 upon 4 is equal to r square. Okay, 314 will get cancelled out. Now 25 into 9 equal to r square. This is square, so we need to take the square root. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3 is equal to square root of r square is r. So 15 equal to r. So from the first formula we have come to radius as r is equal to 15 centimeter square. So unit for radius will be centimeter. Now we need to calculate volume. Volume of sphere. The formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Very simple calculation. 4 by 3. Value of pi is given as 3.14 into r. We have just calculated r from the formula. So it is 15 cube. Now the calculation part, 15 into 15 into 15, you will cancel it with 3, and after you perform all this multiplication, the answer is 14130 centimeter cube, because volume is given in and the unit for volume is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Okay, please note down. Now we will proceed to next sum. Exercise 9.3, question 4. I'll just read it out. Find surface area of sphere if volume is this much. Okay, so it is exactly the reverse way which we have done it earlier. In the earlier example, surface area was given, we calculated the radius and then we calculated its volume. Now here we are exactly following the reverse step. बिल्कुल उल्टा करना है हमको. First from volume we will calculate the radius and then from radius we will calculate surface area. Exactly opposite. Okay. Formulas are direct. So here first we will write the formula for volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is given as 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now radius we don't know, but we know the volume of the sphere. It is given to you 38808 is equal to 4 upon 3. Now in this question the value of pi is mentioned as 22 by 7. They will mention you the value for ease of convenience. So into 22 by 7 into r cube. Okay. Now the calculation part. This 3 and 7 which are in the denominator, when they change their side, they will go in the numerator. 4 4 and 22 which are in the numerator, then side is changed, they will come in the denominator. So 38808 into 3 into 7 upon 4 into 22 is equal to R3. अभी पिछली सम की तरह ही we will have to factorize 38808 and then after you take the cube root you will get R is equal to 21 centimeter. Radius, after you perform the calculation and take the cube root, you will get radius as 21 centimeter. Now the second part of the problem, we have calculated the radius. Now we will find the surface area. So surface area of sphere. The formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. All the quantities we have it. So 4, 22 by 7. We are not using 3.14 because the value is given here as 22 by 7 into r square. Radius we have just calculated here 21 centimeter. So 21 into 21. Okay. Again 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 21 into 3 into 22 into 4. Simple multiplication. So after you perform all the multiplication, you should get the answer as 5544. See here, we are calculating area. So unit will be centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay. Please note down. Very easy sum. Just reverse of sum 3. Last question of exercise 9.3, question 5. Very simple. A small trick you have to use. Question, I'll read it out for you. The volume of hemisphere. See, the figure given in this question is hemisphere. So we have to use all the formulas for hemisphere. Hemisphere, half sphere is 18000 and pi is also given. So let it be. You don't need to get afraid of this value or you don't need to get confused. Whatever value is given, we will take it as it is. 18,000 pi centimeter cube. Okay. And find its diameter. Now we directly can't find the diameter. First we have to calculate the radius and twice the radius is diameter. This is radius. Again this is radius. So 2 times when you radius into 2 will give you the diameter of the hemisphere. So very simple calculation. यहाँ पे पाई दिया हुआ है तो कोई confusion करने की जरूरत नहीं है. We will take the value as it is. Don't multiply it with 22 by 7 or 3.14. We will just take the value as it is. Now I'll solve this for you. Volume of hemisphere. It is given by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of hemisphere. We have seen it earlier also. So volume of hemisphere is given as 18000 pi. This pi we will take it as it is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now simple calculation. This 3 in the denominator, when it changes its side, it will go in the correct numerator. This 2, it will come in the denominator. Pi, it will come in the denominator. Only r cube will remain on right hand side. So 18000 pi into 3 upon 2 into pi is equal to r cube. Okay. Now pi will get cancelled out. That is why they have mentioned it in this way. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Now the calculation is pretty simple. 9 threes are, you will get it as 27, 3 zeros is equal to r cube. Okay, and now when you take the square root, see we have to just take the square root of 27. 27 का square root होता है 9, cube root होता है 9, because here you have cube r cube, so we are going to take cube root of 27. 27 का cube root होता है 3, so here this 3 और ये 3 zeros है, इनका क्यूब रूट जब हम लेंगे तो एक ही जीरो आ जाएगा, सो 30 इक्वल टू r. ओके, वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27,000. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27, फर्स्ट वी विल टेक इट इज 3. दिस 3 zeros का क्यूब रूट एक ही जीरो आ जाएगा, सो 30 इज इक्वल टू r. सो हियर वी हैव गॉट रेडियस इक्वल टू r equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, now we have to calculate diameter. So diameter of hemisphere is equal to 2r. So that is 2 into 30 and that will be 60 centimeter. Very simple problem. I'll just explain the calculation part once again. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर का फॉर्मूला हमने पहले लिया था. वॉल्यूम इज गिवन एज 18,000 पाई. वी विल टेक द वैल्यू एज इट इज इक्वल टू 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब. नाउ व्हाटएवर इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर, व्हेन साइड चेंजेस इट विल कम इन द न्यूमरेटर. व्हाटएवर इज इन द न्यूमरेटर, व्हेन साइड चेंजेस इट विल गो इन द डिनोमिनेटर. तो ये बना लिया हमने इक्वेशन, इज इक्वल टू आर क्यूब. नाउ after you perform this calculation, we get 27,000 is equal to r cube. Now we have to calculate the cube root of this figure. Okay, figure बड़ी है तो डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. We have to use some tricks, mathematical tricks. 27 का cube root होता है 3. 3 times 0, उसके बदले cube root जब हम लेंगे तो we will take only one single zero. So 30 is equal to r. So I get radius as 30 centimeter. और diameter बनाना है हमको. Diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So 2 into 30 and that you will get it as 60 centimeter. So that is the end of exercise 9.3. I have solved all the 5 questions for you because each question is a bit different. So all the questions have been solved. Please note it down. So last part we have completed the chapter 9. Surface area and volume. We'll quickly take a revision of all the formulas. First figure, cube, all sides same. This is the figure for cube. Length same as breadth, same as height. So area of vertical faces, we have 4 vertical faces for cube. So area of vertical faces is 4l square. Total surface area is 6l square and volume is l cube. Now the second figure, cuboid, it resembles to any rectangular shape box, 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. Okay, so area of vertical faces, again for cuboid also we have only 4 vertical faces. The top and the bottom are horizontal faces. So area of vertical faces is given by the formula 2l plus b into h. Then total surface area, when we are calculating total surface area, we have to calculate the area of all the 6 faces. So total surface area is given by the formula 2lb plus bh plus lh. And volume of the cuboid is given by the formula L into b into h. The third figure which we had seen is cylinder. For cylinder we have radius as well as height. Curved surface area is the upper circular surface area. So curved surface area of cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi rh. Total surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r plus h. And volume of the cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h. Very simple formulas. Please note it down. Now the last three figures which we have studied earlier. Cone, circular base. For cone we have two heights. One is the slant height and one is the perpendicular height. So slant height is given by the formula L square is equal to R square plus X square. Curved surface area for cone is given as pi r L. Total surface area pi r plus L, and volume of the cone is given by the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then for sphere we have sphere, circular ball. So surface area is 4 pi r square and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, half of sphere, so formulas will also be half. 4 का half 2 pi r square and 4 by 3 का half 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so please note down the formulas. Thank you. ते 60 झालं ना.